Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. I'm Nate with Artec Industries, and we're going to talk about the JL Rear Tire Delete Kit. A popular thing to do on the new Jeep JL, and for that matter other Jeeps as well too, is to take your rear spare tire off. Yeah, you don't have a spare tire, but there's a lot of benefits to not having a spare tire, especially if you've got a higher quality tire and you're not really worried about it going flat. One is that you're gonna save weight. A lot of people also like it because it has a lot better visibility. You can actually use your rear window and see out of it. A third thing is that it gives you better departure angle. If you're going off an obstacle, you don't have this big tire sticking off the end of your vehicle. It's also nice too because you save money. You don't have to buy this really expensive rear tire carrier. And if you're running massive tires, like if you're running 40-inch tires, you don't have this tire carrier that's gonna add a lot of extra weight and cost you a lot as well too. So there's a lot of benefits to not running a spare tire. So to that end, what do you do with that space? Well, you're gonna need a spare tire delete kit. So we offer two different variants, both in 16-gauge aluminum. We offer a bare aluminum version for those who want to custom paint theirs or who have already aluminum wrapped around their whole vehicle and they want to show off that blingy, nice aluminum look. And then we offer the powder coated, so you don't have to do anything. If you just want to bolt it on, it's really simple, no painting, no anything else. So what we determined with this though is that we could actually get this main piece out of one piece. Other companies out there offer it in multiple pieces, but we made this boxed and strong. So I'm gonna give this here a little tug.
Why don't you see if you can give that a nice tear? Don't hurt yourself now. Can't.
No, I can't bend that, it's too much. It's too rigid. So we designed these using the factory models directly from Jeep so that it's a great fit. What's included in this is the main plate. Now this actually holds your license plate as well as covers up the vents on the back of the vehicle so you don't have those exposed. Also included in this is a rear backup camera mount. The really cool thing is that this just uses your factory brake lights, so you don't have any other brake lights that are non-DOT approved. Now this just goes right here on top, so it actually gives a very clean look. It's not overly bulky. This places the camera above the license plate, which actually puts it in the same position as the factory camera mount, which means you're getting a great field of view that matches it. And it's a nice, simple, clean design, not a lot of extra parts. It's very affordable compared to others out on the industry. Thanks for joining us today. For more information, go to artecindustries.com and type in Jeep JL Rear Spare Tire Delete Kit.